Kung hindi tayo naglulukuhan dito, natatakot siya na pumunta dito?
Sino na yung unggoy na yan?
Honest, Mr. Chair, I don't think the former president will ever attend the Quad Committee.
Nako, nagkamali ka ng ginamon. Kongresista with regards, alias boy contempt.
Seeing our issue with Colonel Grijaldo already, this representation on I will be yielding my position as a chairman of this committee.
Ang ating former president na darating siya, tingin namin propaganda lang yung lumalabas ngayon sa internet, no, sa social media.
We would like the people to know that we have high respect for the former president.
Morning po, sirs. On the Quadcom hearing, bakit po canceled yung pagdinig bukas?
We decided that we should maybe interview them all first. Tingnan namin, sino ba yung yung mas credible doon?
So will the former president attend the Quadcom hearing later this morning?
Yes, definitely.
Father Flavio